We were just hanging out here for a week while we waited for a water pump to be delivered since ours broke. And typically whenever we settle somewhere, I do all the inside stuff and Ross does all the outside setting up stuff. So here we go, here's our week.
Okay, so here it is right now.
What is this?
My tree house. Well, right here is my swing.
Cool.
And then, oh yeah, my kitchen over here. This is my grill. Like that.
Uh-huh.
And then here is my salt, my pepper, my garlic, my spoon, and my knife.
Cool.
And then up there is the roof. And then...
You put all those sticks up there?
No, Daddy helped me.
Daddy helped you put those up there?
Yeah. And then this is my berries. These are my berries right here. I have a lot of them. And then my keys to my house and some other stuff. And then right here. And get up. I'm gonna put a footrest and a pillow and everything, but this is all I have right now. So I'm gonna make a gun area. My guns are down there, and my arrow. But I'm also gonna put some bombs.
Bombs?
Yeah. There's like a war, like a fight war thing between me and Cole and Emily.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna see whose shelter lasts the longest.
Okay.
The roof right here and up here, and more of the wall right over here.
Mm-hmm.
More of the wall right here.
Mm-hmm.
All right there.
So it'll be all covered.
Yeah. And then right here, I'm gonna have a pillow. I'm gonna move that, or maybe I could scoot up a little bit, and then I'm gonna make a stick pillow where I just go like that, and then I can lay down, or this can be like an area where I can draw or something. Like I can turn around, and then I can probably put like a book right here, and then I can draw or something. And then right here is the thing where is the part of the branch that I get up on. And then also right here is my pet turtle.
Oh, he's cute.
Hello.
What's his name?
It's not a he.
Oh, what is her name?
Her name is Lily.
Lily.
Yeah.
Hey, Lily.
Hello. Hello. Over here, I was gonna try to build a fridge.
A what?
A fridge.
A fridge?
Yeah.
Mm.
Like a place where I hang up stuff.
Pretty cool.
Oh, and also in my living room, like slash bedroom thing, right there or right here, somewhere right there or here, I'm going to have a bookshelf.
Ooh.
Where I can. Oh, wait, I saw Cole.
think he did.
Where did he go?
Oh, maybe
Oh,
he
I
did.
see him. He's on the other side of the trailer.
Oh.
Wait, okay. Where did he go? Oh, this way. Yeah.
Dude, I'm getting like National Geographic pictures over here. Like, no joke. Really cool pictures.
So some hospitals have their own programs, and I know that there are some organizations. So whenever somebody asks about this, they usually
can't both fit.
can right there.
What?
Ready? Your hands on your knees.
Okay.
You ready, Emmy?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Let me just turn it up.
Wait, let me adjust the...
I don't know if this
Okay.
will work. Okay, what are we doing here?
Okay, ready?
I'm watching you. What?
Okay, put your hand down.
All right.
Other hand.
All right.
Put your hand up.
Uh-huh.
Put your other hand up.
Uh-huh.
Put one hand back,
Uh-huh.
and then the other hand.
Just like this. Like this. Like this.
And then one hand back,
Uh-huh.
and then other hand.
Hold on. See?
You're still gonna hold.
No, I'm not. You were lean back more. See, I wasn't lean back more. Guys must naturally not.
Do a little dance, babe.
No, I'm not doing anything.
Do
Babe,
a little dance, do
come
a
on.
little dance,
Do a little dance.
Do a little dance.
Not when my kids are watching me.
Yeah, do
No,
it.
Just do a little, like, you're working out dance.
Shake your booty.
Come on, babe. Babe, come on. Do
Daddy.
it. There you go.
To have a doll and a pet bird. Her doll has a new dress. No, it's like, no, they say,
Yeah.
No,
Show
they
them
say-
girls.
show them girls.
Homemade bagels.
but there's a party under here.
We're doing a race here.
Alright, I'm doing, it's 45 on this road. I'm doing about 40 right now.
We're going faster.
He's going about 40, he's going about 45.
Right now.
Right now,
Dude, he gets out in the open areas, they'll go faster than that. Oh, so I'll show you that train I was talking about. You can take a picture of it or a video.
Bidding you.
They run that and push the snow out of the way.
That's cool.
Going faster. We're racing.
Ooh, he just hit the...
Tell Daddy to dance. Come on, Daddy.
Oh, wow.
Dance while you're doing the coffee. Coffee. Do your maraca. That's your maraca, babe.
Doing the chainsaw. Mommy, I'm doing the axe. Like lovers do.
See you guys at the next place. Don't forget